Let's talk about Excel field series and how can we use this to automate information in our spreadsheet. Let's say, for example, I need to enter day names in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Let me start by typing Monday on any blank cell. Now, if I need to display Monday to Sunday, all we need to do is to point the mouse on the lower right corner of the cell, hold left click, and then drag it down. Okay, release the left click. Excel will display all the day names. We can also do the same shortcut for month names by typing January on any blank cell, point on the lower right corner of the cell, hold left click, then move it down. You can have it up to December. Okay, now fill series can also be applied for number data. However, if you type number 1 on any blank cell and use the same shortcut, by default, Excel will display a duplicate values of number 1. Now, if you want to use the fill series to display sequential numbers, you can simply type 1 and 2 in any blank cell, highlight both, point on the lower right corner of the cell, and then drag it down. Excel will automate the list of numbers based on the interval of the first two numbers that you have. Okay, for example, I need another interval. Let me type 1000 and 2000. Do the same thing, drag it down. It will do the same thing by having the fill series, but this time with the thousands of interval. Now, how about if we are required to enter big data in Microsoft Excel? Let's say, for example, I need to enter 1 to 10,000. We can do that by simply typing number on any blank cell. Let me type number 1. If I need to display sequential values from 1 to 10,000, let me point the mouse on the lower right corner of the cell, hold right click, move it down once, move it back, release the right click, and then you will see this fill series contextual menu. Let me repeat that step. Type number 1 on any blank cell, point the mouse on the lower right corner of the cell, hold the right click of the mouse, move it down once, move it back, release the right click of the mouse, then you have it. I need you guys to click the series, and here's the options that we can modify. Rows means horizontal data, columns means vertical data. Let me choose in columns. Step value means the interval. Step value means the last number that you want to display. In this case, that is 10,000. Okay, if you have this now on your setup, just click the OK button. And then Excel will automate values from 1 to 10,000. Okay, we can also use the same shortcut for dates. Let's say I need all valid dates of 2021. Can start with January 1, 2021, up to December 31, 2021. Let me use the same shortcut. Point on the lower right corner of the cell, hold right click of the mouse, move it down once, move it back, release the right click of the mouse, click on series, select columns for vertical data. Next, we have Multiple options for the date unit. Day means calendar days. Weekday means all Monday to Fridays from January 1, 2021 up to December 31, 2021. Month means it will display the first day of the month because the data entry is January 1, 2021. If you need every 15th day of the month, you need to type your first data as January 15, 2021. Here, however, will always display the first day of the month. And again, it is based on the current data that you have. So we'll not change that. Let's stick with the calendar days, columns. For the stop value, let me type here December 31, 2021. A quick note here, you need to follow the date format of your computer. In my case, I'm using month, day, and year format. If you're done, click OK, and then you have it. All the valid dates of 2021 will be displayed. And that's it for the fill series of Excel.